LaCie has redefined a proven design with the new D2. Featuring Thunderbolt 2, USB 3.0, and a professional Seagate 6TB 7200 RPM hard disk, the LaCie D2 delivers superb performance for heavy data users. It's even possible to boost speeds to up to 1150 MB/s and add 128 GB of SSD storage by installing the LaCie D2 SSD upgrade, sold separately. Additionally, the LaCie D2 features an innovative all-aluminum unibody enclosure for incredible durability and low vibration. Professional speeds of up to 220 MB/s USB 3.0 and dual Thunderbolt 2 ports for universal compatibility. Aluminum unibody for reduced noise and vibration. Boost speeds up to 1150 MB/s with D2 SSD upgrade. Includes 1 month complimentary membership to Adobe Creative Cloud All Apps plan. Must redeem by January 31, 2020.